Hey guys, it's me, Cinderace, and today we are going to open this Rotom thing. So let's open it now. Okay, I got it out of its package. Now it's time to open what's in the inside. Here is the inside. Oh, here are the instructions and the checklist. And here are the parts. Boom, simple. Now let's check the instructions. Alright, I've read the instructions and now it's time to build. I wonder why is there a yellow part. And also this is my hand reveal. I know you already saw my hands. So here's my hands. Now let's get to building. Here are all the pieces. Here are all the pieces. If you're trying to open it, and you don't know how, there might be like a broken dot pattern, and then you gotta rip it. If it doesn't have it, then just get scissors and cut. But for score bunnies, which are young Cinderaces, please ask for an adult for assistance with scissors. Thank you. Now time to put it together. First, let me look at the instructions. They'll know what to do. Here is Rotom before it's in its plasma shell. After I put it in its plasma shell, it would look complete. Here is Rotom, complete. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, I got a little bit carried away. Now it's time to do some little changes to the Pokeball. Alright, here's its Pokeball. It was caught in an Ultra Ball. Here are the two pieces for it because I figured out they were for the Pokeball. I don't know why I have to customize the Pokeball, but I will. So it says we have to put this over here and put this there. Oh, wait, please. There, the Pokeball is done. And now we get to put Rotom in its Pokeball. Let's see. Let's see it in its Pokeball. Here it is inside its Pokeball. It looks cool. I mean, Rotom is happy in its Pokeball. I mean, look at it. It's smiling. And also, I took it apart because I couldn't, do this. So, yeah. All I could do was, see? That's why it's a part of its Pokeball, because it doesn't have that thingy where it could go. It doesn't have the thingy that it can go so yeah. I'm gonna put Rotom in its Pokeball, and then you could see it blast out of its Pokeball. I don't think it could fit in its Pokeball, so I think I just have to do it I could show you. Like that. So, hope y'all like this. And also, this is my first video. And if you're a Square Bunny, a kid, young Cinderace, then you need to ask permission before you subscribe and like from your parents. And also this is my first video again. So yeah, thank you. Bye.